Because you are also an engineer in the final year here, B.Tech. No. You can shut the door. No, not this door, that door. Yes, yes, come on. You sit down here.
Comfortably downstairs.
They go, you are senior to them all, sit down there. You are the sub-guru. Come on. And the sad guru. SADGURU. See, Sadguru they write in English as SADGURU. What is that? Sad guru. See, what should be our aim in life? We cannot, see, many of us, we are traveling this journey without knowing where we go. In Greek also, or Latin, I think it is called Quo Vadis. Quo Vadis means where do you go? Nobody knows. None of us think about it even. That's all. 9th, 10th हो गया, हाँ but 12th होना है. 12th हो गया, then immediately some BSc or something else or AMIE, something like that. Then immediately a marriage, immediately a very good placement in a very good place with enough of money. Then there you want a promotion, you want to become the vice president, no, executive director I want to become. Like that. Where is the end? You tell me. So this will not carry you anywhere. Suddenly one day, either that leaves us or we have to leave it. 11 people here in one big firm, they were all software engineers. 2.5 years back they were removed because of recession. Till today they have not got another job in Bangalore. You tell me. He was worried before getting the job that I am not getting a job. Now after getting the job he said, this job is not of particular that I am an expert in this side. This sort of things I have never dealt with, still they are managing. So again you are unhappy. And now that you are completely gone away, you are more unhappy again. Where is happiness? So the point is this, in this life, you never get satisfaction in life. You become the President of India, still you won't get satisfaction. That is what will happen. This is very clear. You go to any position, you think, oh, this assistant engineer's post is very dangerous. The executive engineer calls me, chief engineer calls me, my lord, I should get my promotion. You got your executive engineer promotion, again you are fat. You got your, as a chief engineer, again you are unhappy. The secretary is bigger than you. See, where is the end? You tell me. So, it is necessary that in life we should first fix up what is our aim in life, what do you want to achieve? Yes, you want to achieve a big position, you want a lot of money, and perhaps a very good and beautiful girl like a Bollywood actress who will talk English, Kannada, Hindi, all languages, and you will do whatever you say, yes sir, who will not talk against you. But even then you would be happy. Yes, you try your best. And in addition, as and when you go, say you are crossed 45, 50s, I'm getting some pain here. The pain doesn't come often. Only when I go up and all the down, there's a pain. Then you say here also the pain has started. Then the pain will start here. They will say this is spondylosis, this is arthritis. Some names the doctors will give you. So, and then as and when you go, they will say still further so many bad things. There is something wrong with your colon. You have to take colonoptomy. And they will say you have to do endoscopy. They call endoscopy, endoscopy, colonoscopy. They are worse than the troubles which Yamaraja gives in hell. You take a certificate, he gives the exemption there. That's it. So always unhappiness is there protruding with everything. Before getting a child, I want a child. You got a child, he became a rebel, he doesn't care for you. Again, a problem. When you don't have your problem, when you have your problems, so everywhere this happens. That's there. So your entire game is to get happiness. Happiness or 1 hour will do. Will do. Then how long will be like that? 4 hours? Huh? You want for 24 hours, for 365 days, for a long, long length of years, it will be several thousands of years. Nobody wants to die earlier when you are really having happiness. That's all. So on some grounds or other, either you divorce your wife, or you are not getting along with your children, you run away to become a Swamiji. It's the easy way. You get money and no worries. So, the point is, first you have to decide that I have to get happiness. So all this unhappiness comes only when in this state, waking state. You have got 3 states. You are waking, you are going to the office. When you come back, you go to bed, and then you are having nice dreams, beautiful dreams. And then you go into deep sleep when you are not aware of anything. Is it not? Why have the God given you the sleep and dream? Not for fun. Oh, let him have fun. No. They got a meaning. From that we learn a lot of things. Say for instance, from dream, what do you understand? You are alone in your room, you shut your door and you sleep. In that dream, there are 3 tigers which have come, and your 25 friends are all talking with you. So where from these 25 people came? They are all just like you, talking, walking, joking. So they are as real as you. At that time you don't get a doubt. During the dream, you don't say, no, these are not dream fellows, they are not real friends. No, they look very real to you at that time. So you learned from it, you alone were there. Now those 25 persons, including the 3 tigers, you became the tigers. You became all the friends because you were only were there. Your thought force, which is an energy, energy can be converted into matter, matter can be converted into energy, according to the Einsteinian physics. So as such, your thought force has created those things and made it real into matter like. You get a friend, your friend is as substantial as you are. If you touch him, then he's not a ghost. So you yourself became all. The same thing has been put in our Upanishads. The Lord was alone. There was no word, nothing. The Supreme One, he was alone. You may call him Krishna, you may call him Rama, you may call him Shiva, or you may call him formless, but there was energy. It was a living energy because they have created you. So it should be living energy. Yeah, non-living energy cannot create a living people. Is it not? This God cannot manufacture a Shantananda. So it requires living. And it's an energy which is not only loving, not only living, later on you will come to it's a loving energy. It's full of love. Nothing, all the unhappiness that has come to you, they have all come out of your own deed in the previous verse. The Lord cannot help it. There's a lady who is holding a child who is barely 3 months old. The child fell down. It is crying. What can the mother do? What can it do? It's karma, it fell down, it is weeping. And the most you can only say, Chocho, don't weep, my dear child, kuch nahi hua, nothing happened. But you can't help it. That pain it is suffering. You can't remove it. He may be his mother, he may be his father, he may be his guru. You can't remove it. Is it not?
So that is inevitable to suffer.
So it is inevitable. So you should find a way, because how there have been people like the Maharshis who have lived and who have proved that they can be happy. Even today there was Bhagavan Ramana, there was Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. He had cancer of the throat at the end. Even when he was having cancer of the throat, not a single day he told, ha ha, oh, Abba, Amma, not one day. Not one day. Can you remain like that? That pain is there. So, those people have told that all these unhappiness can be removed. So, we all started with Ananda, happiness. How to get happiness? So, when you get happiness all these 365 days, the question of unhappiness does not arise at all. On the contrary, Buddha started with the negative approach. How to remove unhappiness? It is all one and the same. That's all. It is all one and the same. There were two habitual chain smokers. They cannot remain 1 second without smoking. In their village, one Swamiji had come. All their friends went over there and daily they were learning meditation. After about 5 days he found they were all glowing and walking straight. And they were all laughing, and these very fellows were always complaining that they didn't get this, they didn't get that, they didn't get a good job. And now they are all happy. I think this meditation is something good. Let us also do it. So it was 23rd of a month. They went to the Guru thinking, if at all he will say, come from first, we will go. So they told him, they said, okay, you can. Only thing is, you must come daily. You can't absent yourself even for a single day, on whatever the reason. You have to come. That's all. You have to come at the exact time, not 1 minute late. So they said, okay sir, no, you wanted meditation, come on, sit down, just now. They have not brought him in their pocket. And he was sitting. Go on, go into meditation, just to think of the Lord here. Go on thinking of it. For half an hour, 1 hour they were able to. Then they were thinking of the caste and cigarette. Just one small bit, even that will do. My Lord, this man is sitting here, seeing like this. So what will we do? With great difficulty, towards or over the door, namaste, it went away. The next morning they said, this cannot go like this. We have to get exemption from the Guru. So the first disciple, Mr. A, he went to the Guru, came back within 2 seconds. He said, yes, give me permission. Then I will go. Mr. B went. He remained for half an hour and came back. He said, my Lord, the moment I told him that Swamiji, I want to learn meditation, but in between I had to go twice at least to make and come back. Twice. What? During meditation you want to go for smoking? Are you not ashamed to ask it? Is this spirituality? What are you talking? No. You have to do only meditation. You cannot touch. So he came back after getting the lecture for half an hour. Then he asked this man, hey, how did he grant you within 2 minutes, within 2 seconds? How did you ask him? I told him, sir, I am a habitual smoker. I always smoke. So in between the smoking, can I do meditation? By all means, Baba. To do meditation at all times is good, even in the middle. So one is the negative approach, one is the positive approach. Let's not both be the same thing. That is the positive and negative approach.